Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually starting my video in the car again, and that's because I'm going on a little road trip this weekend. It's not really a road trip, it's only like 2 hours away, but still, it's gonna be really fun. I'm heading to my cousin's house, and then tomorrow we have a really fun beach day planned. It's currently 9:36, so we should get there at around 11:30-ish. I know I need to stop for gas, but I got all my bags packed and we're ready to go. This should be a really fun weekend. I'm excited to take you guys along with me. So let's get this road trip started. I had to stop and get gas, but now we're on our way. I actually pulled off in a little parking area because I was hoping there was going to be a bathroom, but there's not, so I might have to go squat somewhere, but this is the spot. It's not that great. Oh, there's my car. But I'm under this thing. I don't know what this is. Good thing we have phones. It is so nice out. I can't wait to get there and go in the pool and tan, but yeah, I'm just taking a break. Of course a car comes right now. I need to pee. Oh, maybe it's a good thing they're pulling off. Oh my god, you guys hear this car? Oh no, I have to pee. I'm going in the bushes. So I was gonna find a spot to pee, but there's literally nowhere. I want to like walk into the woods and go behind a tree, but there's literally just a fence and then highway. And this girl just pulled up and her car did not sound good. I think I only have like 15 minutes, so I don't know if I should hold it or pull over. I'm probably just gonna hold it. Okay, let's go. So now the lighting is really crazy, and so is the sound. I'm in the basement. As soon as I got here, I picked up my cousin, we went around and saw some of the family, and then we've literally been out by the pool for like 2.5 hours. You guys couldn't tell I'm a little bit red, but I did get a really good tan. So it's about 6 o'clock. I don't remember what time I got to the house, but we spent quite a while out by the pool, and now I'm at Target. I'm all oily. It's so nice here, but it's really hot, and I don't really know what I want to look for. I'm just looking around. Right now I'm looking at the bathing suits, but there's like a lot of people here, so I feel weird vlogging. So I thought I'd give you guys a little haul of the stuff that I got from Target. This was the first pair of jeans. They're just like mom jeans, super comfortable. And then I got this pair of skinny jeans, and for not being able to try these on at the store, they fit really well. And lastly, I got these two really comfortable and soft tank tops. Good morning, guys. It is around 8:30, and today we're going to the beach. I'm just getting ready. Let me show you guys. Got shorts on, bathing suit top. I'm gonna wear the tank top that I got yesterday from Target if I can get the tag off. But yes, I'm really excited. It's supposed to be like 90 degrees and sunny, no clouds. waterproof mascara yesterday because I know that I was going to be in the pool and I couldn't get it off. I don't think it came off.
I feel great. I love the salty air. God, it smells like someone just let their dog piss on everything. Of my life. Daughter drives like horse.
So at this point, all of my acrylic nails have fallen off, which I'm not surprised about at all. You guys should go check out my last video where I go to get my nails done and it was a disaster. So it is currently 5:30 and I look crazy. I did get a little bit sunburned, but tan for the most part. My face looks really red, or maybe it's just the glare. Now I'm on my way home. I should be getting home at around 7-ish, 7:30-ish. So I think I'm just gonna end this video here because I'm just driving home and I'm probably going to bed because I have to work all week. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.